So hello everyone, this is the first video of series how to combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis. But first thing first, we should talk about technical analysis. What is technical analysis? To be honest, I think technical analysis is based on economics. It's really kind of economics in pictures, in numbers, okay? We can see economics right here, British pound, US dollars. Okay, this is economics. Okay, what determines price? What determines the price? The price determined by supply and demand, of course, okay? So price determined by supply and demand. So, supply and demand. Okay, I want to know which one is stronger. Okay, I want to know the supply is stronger or the demand is stronger. Okay, what should I know? What should I do to understand that? To know that? So you have to know rational expectations. In economics, we say if you want to know the supply and demand, you should know the rational expectation. Okay, in chart, I want to understand and find not in chart, in everywhere. If you want to know rational expectation. What should I do? That's the question, the key question to keep us in chart, okay? To keep us in chart. Because if I want to know the rational expectation, I want to know how people act. How people act on numbers. How people act on here, okay? How people act on numbers here. For example, here, okay? This is obviously 1.2878. This is the resistance here. Okay, here. You obviously see the resistance. How people react about this number. How market react to this number. Easy. On H1, you can see easily the resistance here. Okay? So, if I know the support and resistance, I know rational expectations. And if I know rational expectations of people, I know supply and demand. And if I know supply and demand, I know the price. I know I can predict the price because I know the supply and demand. Which one is the greater power? Which one has the greater power? Okay? That's easy, nothing special. So economics brings us to technical analysis, basically. Okay. So support resistance tells us rational expectation. Rational expectations brings us to support, demand, supply, and demand. Okay. So that's technical analysis. Not just past can help us to predict the future. Okay, that's a traditional and classic definition of technical analysis, but I believe in technical analysis is kind of economics. And what about fundamental analysis? What is fundamental? Fundamental analysis absolutely is news. And here, for example, Financial Times, Bloomberg, you can see the news tweets, for example, tweets of Trump's, and all of that. They are fundamentals. Numbers, we can talk about numbers, economic calendars, for example, interest rates, inflation, core inflation, and a lot of that. Okay? So they are fundamentals. We know the news, we know the trade war, for example. We can predict what will go happen. Okay? So, that's it. So, in this video, I want to give you smart and a little example how to combine technical analysis with fundamental analysis. Okay, so to show you that, I want to tell you, I know this news. Okay, I know Johnson battles to get Brexit deal through Parliament. Okay, and today I had this. This is my signal to my members. Here I gave the order. So I saw this, breaks the line, and I know this. So I know in general this news has a lot of power, okay? So it can go up to probably first here, this is the first TP, and here as a second TP, okay? So what should I do? With trend line, I know the dynamic support, okay? Dynamic support is this. And with the news, I know in general the market is bullish because British pound is going to be stronger and stronger, okay? It's obvious. So I'm waiting for the pullback here, and with technical I got the point to enter the trade. But right now probably I don't exit the trade because I know this news is really strong, okay? In 3 or 4 days it can be here, okay? The price can be here. So I saw the news, I know what is going on market, and with, for example, with support and resistance, we know the lines, we know what is going on here, and with this levels, with these zones, I know where should I enter the trade, where should I exit the trade, where should I set up the first TP, the second TP. The numbers, the levels, the zones, you have to make it, you have to make and determine where should I exit the trade, where should I enter the trade, okay? They all depends, all technical analysis. But about the in general, the atmosphere of the market, what do you trade? Okay, I trade gold, I trade British pound dollar. What do you trade? You should know the news, what is going on here, okay? And you can determine in general what should I do now. So in brief, I know the atmosphere with fundamental analysis, with news and economic calendars in general. But where should I enter the trade? Okay, where should I exit first? TP1, TP2. I use technical analysis. I use support and resistance to understand that. In the next videos, we will talk about more and precisely how to use news, economic calendars, how to combine them with technical analysis, how to combine them with good zones and profitable zones, and how to trade, how to exit the trades, how to enter the trades with being technomental and using both technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Thank you for watching us. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. Thank you so much.